Jorge Glass, Ecuador's former vice president, has been hospitalized following a tumultuous incident involving his removal from Mexico's embassy in Quito, which sparked a diplomatic dispute. Reports indicate that Glass, who had refrained from eating for 24 hours while in prison, was subsequently transferred to the Guayaquil Naval Hospital after falling ill. According to the SNAI prison authorities, he is now in stable condition. Additionally, it was stated that the former official, who had been provided political asylum by Mexico and had resided in the embassy since December following 2 corruption convictions by Ecuadorian courts, will continue to be under medical observation. He is expected to be returned to prison soon. Following the unprecedented embassy raid, Mexico announced the suspension of diplomatic relations with Ecuador, labeling the incident as an authoritarian act and a flagrant violation of international law and sovereignty of Mexico. The North American nation further evacuated its personnel from the embassy, with President Andrés Manuel López Obrador announcing intentions to lodge a complaint against Ecuador at the International Court of Justice. The raid prompted widespread condemnation and apprehension across Latin America and beyond, with many denouncing it as a breach of the Vienna Convention, which safeguards embassy protections in international relations. In defense of its actions, Ecuador justified the raid, asserting that Mexico had no authority to grant asylum to Glass and was plotting to remove him from Ecuador despite facing charges. News of the former vice president's hospitalization surfaced following an open letter penned by one of his lawyers, Sonia Vera, expressing deep concern over Glass's inability to communicate with his legal team. Glass, who served as vice president of Ecuador from 2013 to 2017 and was released from prison in 2022 after a sentence of over 4 years, has consistently claimed that the charges against him are politically motivated. President Daniel Noboa, in a letter addressed to Ecuadorians released by his office on Monday evening, indicated his desire to resolve the issue with Mexico, emphasizing that justice cannot be negotiated. "We will never shield criminals who have harmed Mexicans," he asserted. Mexico, on its part, has declared it has no intentions to expel the Ecuadorian diplomatic mission from its capital. Meanwhile, the Organization of American States is scheduled to convene a special meeting at its headquarters in Washington, D.C. on Wednesday, following a call by Colombia and Bolivia to address the breach of the Vienna Convention during the embassy raid.